Hello, fellow adventurers! Are you planning the incredible drive to Baja Mexico soon? Then come, join me as we drive to Baja Mexico using the Calexico-Mexicali West Border Crossing. I'll be your guide through my latest trips. I'll even show you a new, quick way to connect to Highway 5 once we're on the Mexicali side. Let's start right here in Calexico, California, USA. I'm currently driving on Cesar Chavez Boulevard, which takes you directly to the border crossing entrance. By now, you should have all the necessary documents ready for driving into Mexico. If you need to exchange US dollars to Mexican pesos, do it here in Calexico. They typically have a higher exchange rate here than on the Mexicali side. Now let's proceed to the border crossing. You'll first encounter a checkpoint still on the US side, which is now active. Sometimes you can just drive through, but on this particular trip, the checkpoint was manned and agents seemed to be looking for a specific vehicle. Once you pass the fence, you are officially in Mexico. If you or your passengers need to get an FMM, park in the parking area to your left. This is also the designated parking area if you have something to declare and your vehicle might be subject to inspection. If a custom agent approaches you here, simply let them know you are parking to get your FMM, unless of course you have something to declare. Bring your passport and enter the building to get your FMM at the counter. Once you have your FMM, you can rejoin the line to enter Mexico. Pay close attention to the sign here for when to proceed. In this area, your vehicle may also be subject to inspection. Sometimes you drive right through, and other times they will wave you to stop for inspection, as they did on this trip.
A few moments later.
As long as you are not carrying anything prohibited, they will let you proceed after a few minutes. To drive to Baja from here, you need to connect to Highway 5. I'm going to show you a quick way to connect that's different from my previous videos, a fantastic shortcut shared by one of my viewers. Once you exit the gate, immediately take the ramp and stay in the left lane. This is crucial, as the right lanes will take you back toward the border crossing. At this point, change to the right lane and make a right turn. After the traffic light, make another right turn. I'm pointing out some landmarks here to help guide you to the correct street entrance. You should now be on Adolfo López Mateos Boulevard and aligned with Highway 5. Stay on this road for about 4 miles. The next key landmarks you want to watch for are the Sanchez Taboada Monument and the Impulso statue. There is a turn ahead you must pay attention to. This is a busy traffic circle with several exits, so be mindful of the correct turn. This is how these landmarks look like. You are now on Highway 5. After passing through Mexicali, Highway 5 turns into a 2-lane road and you'll find yourself in a beautiful desert environment. In about 2 hours of driving, you'll reach the junction for Highway 3, which will take you to Ensenada. You will also arrive at a military checkpoint. Sometimes they may do a cursory look at your back seat and trunk and ask about your destination. Other times they simply wave you through, as they did on this day. As you continue south on Highway 5 is the coastal town of San Felipe. This is an excellent place to rest and resupply before you drive further south. If you're staying in town, be sure to visit the San Felipe Malecón or check out my video on it. That's it. Enjoy the incredible adventures that Baja offers. Now, go! Check it out yourself. The earth is wide open. Adventure awaits, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.